Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, this cool model right here, and basically what this is a UV nail lamp, so you can use it to dry like your nails and everything. If you can see, this is basically what the product looks like in terms of the package. So for the one that we got right here is 120 watts. They do have somewhere it's like a lower watt. So if you guys want a higher one or lower one, you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you guys prefer. But first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So first thing you can see inside, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product and what is actually included inside. And then next thing you can see inside is the actual product right here. So let's take everything out. Alright, so inside they do provide a cable that you want to use to attach it and recharge the product and activate it as well. Alright, so when we take out the product, you can see that this is basically what it looks like right here. So you can see on the top part right here, they do have the logo and they have a few buttons right here. So it looks like there's 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 99 seconds. So you can definitely use that timer option inside right here. And on top right here, they do have a little handle option if you guys want to lift it up. And you see inside, they definitely have a bunch of those UV lights inside. And they mentioned for the product, since it is a touchscreen, it will actually last a lot longer than your normal UV lights that has like the buttons on there. And obviously in the middle right here is the display screen. So once you guys activate the product, then you can see everything on here. And then for this part right here, you can definitely move it if you guys do need to as well. But this is basically what the inside looks like. If you guys can see in the back, this is basically where you're going to plug in the cable to activate it. Since the product is not wireless, you definitely need to plug in a cable to activate it. And because for this one in particular is so powerful, since it has 120 watts, it actually cures your nails a lot faster than your normal one, which is like 30 watts, 45 watts, or whatever. Basically like the weaker ones. And for this product, they mentioned how it's good for both your fingernails and toenails, so you can definitely use it for both. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this over the table and show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so once you guys plug in the product in, see that this is basically what the product looks like. So it basically has the display screen on the top part right here. So you definitely have the option to select each time right here. So whether you guys want 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, and the list goes on. You can definitely do all of that on here. Or you can do it manually like this by putting your hand inside and then taking it out. And literally the moment once you guys put your hand inside, it actually feels pretty warm. So you definitely want to make sure you guys use it correctly and don't overuse it, because if you guys put your hand in there for too long, it might damage your skin, it might burn your skin. So you definitely want to just use it for however long you guys need. But you definitely see that once you put a hand inside, it definitely does work. And definitely has a really strong UV light once you guys put your hand inside. And when you guys put your hand inside, it doesn't just turn on. You guys have to put in there like the sensor area right here. And that's how it detects your hand inside. But you can see it's pretty easy to actually use. I definitely love how you guys have the option to use either the automatic option right here with the time option, or you can do it manually right here where you guys put it in and out, which is pretty nice. And it's definitely really nice how they have the little handle as well, so you can carry it around if you guys need to. And just to let you guys know, for the timer option, once you guys set it for like 10 seconds, it stays on for 10 seconds and there's like a countdown right here. So after 10 seconds is done, it actually will turn off by itself. And you can see this is basically what the inside looks like in terms of the UV light. So there's definitely a lot of UV light inside right there. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys have a quick test of our product and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. Super easy to use. Literally all you're going to do is plug in the cable to activate the product. And then once you guys do that, you just set the timer to however long you guys need. I really like the option how it has the auto on and auto off option when you guys put your hand in or take it out. That's actually really cool as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a portable UV nail lamp to use almost anywhere. So if you guys want to use it at home, in your living room, when you guys are traveling, you can basically use this almost anywhere. And if you guys can see from the actual product, it's so big that you can actually put your whole entire hand inside. Or if you guys want to put your whole entire feet inside, you can definitely do both. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.